So guys, we're gonna do a tour of my friend's backyard. So he has his trampoline, that thing,
My dog.
pool, his dog, and yeah.
I'm gonna throw the ball.
Alright. So yeah, we have a not huge place back there. So yeah. What was it?
What is that sound?
Yo.
Dude, what is going on?
It stopped. Dude, what?
What's that noise?
Dude, what is that?
We should probably go. Probably go.
No. No.
Why not?
Dude, it's okay.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Clearly not.
What could it be?
I don't know. Definitely something dangerous.
Oh my God.
Do you not hear that?
Yes, I hear that. Oh, what could it be? What? Did you hear that?
Yes. Okay, I think it's getting pissed.
Dude.
Okay, I think it's getting.
Come out. Dude.
It stopped.
Dude, what is that?
I don't know what it was, but we gotta get out of here.
Dude, why?
Because. How do you not know that it's a freaking skinwalker?
Oh my God, skinwalkers are fake.
Something's going on.
Dude, nothing's going on.
Yeah, walking stuff like that. I think I just found a boat.
All right, we're gonna set you guys up right there. So guys, we'll catch up in a little bit. Yo, okay, we're gonna go. We'll be back, guys. Help! 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 Help me! Help!
Guys, do you hear that?
Dude, what is that? Yo, what is that?
What is that noise?
Help! Help!
Okay, I think we should stop the video.
Dude. Bro, we're okay.
No, we're not.
Yes,
We're clearly not.
Dude, we're okay.
We're clearly not.
Dude.
We're clearly not okay.
Yes, we are. Sorry, guys. He doesn't think we're okay. We're two little children. Okay, two little children hearing noises.
In a backyard, hearing.
We're hearing noises. It's okay.
I really think stop it.
Dude. Alright guys, we're gonna end it right here. If you like this video, subscribe. Part 2 coming up soon. Peace, baby. Okay, now we're live. Okay, we're gonna continue this for a little while. So yeah. So we're just gonna keep you updated here, okay?
I really think this is a bad idea.
Dude, it's fine.
No, it's not. How are
Okay,
we fine?
let's go.
Explain to me how we're fine. I don't know. Yeah, exactly.
You're gonna end it right there, like for part 2. Peace.